Denise Morris here from Knack Training, and today's quick fix video talks about how we can clean up our lists and not have any duplicates with using a new dynamic array function called unique. Duplicates can slow you down and it can actually mess with your data. So let's tidy your list so every entry stands alone. Let me show you how to do it. All right, let's see the unique function in action. So to find the unique function, you would go to the formula library and it is under lookup and reference. And the unique function is right here and it returns the unique values from a range or an array. So here in my list, I have regions, I have products, I have sales reps, and I have customers that continually repeat themselves. So if I wanted to create a list of just the unique names inside of this, then I could use the unique function. The unique function is a new dynamic array, meaning that it will spill into every cell that it's needed to complete its function. What does that mean? It means that if I create the regions right here under region, then however many regions they pull from here, it will spill down that many cells. Let me show you in action. So I'm going to click here in H3. I'm going to go to formulas, lookup and reference, and choose unique. And my array is going to be the column that I want to pick the unique names out of, so the region right here. So I will click in B3 and select my entire column and click OK. So out of the regions, it pulled North America, Europe, Middle East, Africa, Asian Pacific, and Latin America. Now, what I mean when I say that it is filling into the available cells is that the current function is here in H5. If I click on H6, notice how unique has been grayed out because the function is not actually in that cell. It is just spilling down until it reaches the end of all of the data it needs to populate. Now you can do lots of different things with this data. You could then turn it into a drop-down list or create another table out of it. But since it is pulling from a function, you will have to copy those cells and paste the value so that it no longer pulls from the unique function and it just becomes text. The way that you do that is you select it and you go to home, copy, and then you choose paste values. And so now they are just text. I could repeat the process with customers. Go to J3, type in the unique function, open parentheses. Once again, the array is the column of data, and then I find all of the available customers right here. I could copy them and then paste and do something like sort them in alphabetical order or whatnot so that I can allow myself to do other things with these lists. There you go. No more duplicates, just clean, reliable data. I use the unique function for so many things, but remember, always copy and paste your data so it's no longer using that function within the data. Remember, quick fix, small changes, big wins.